As a veterinary hospital manager, keeping your staff up to date on best practices in veterinary medicine and the latest industry innovations is critical to delivering the highest standard of care to your patients and clients. What's needed is a scalable, time-saving way to train, upskill, and educate everyone on your staff in a way that reflects an individual organization's unique culture, protocols, and standards of care. That solution is Vetbloom. Vetbloom offers a customizable learning environment that is tailored specifically to the needs of your practice. The expertise of the finest veterinary professionals in the industry meets cutting-edge online instruction in Vetbloom. You have the option of selecting from an extensive, growing catalog featuring 250 courses that are exclusive to Vetbloom subscribers. Or add your own courses while tracking learner progress and automating training processes. The Vetbloom library consists of a wide range of subject matter with focused depth into clinical and non-clinical topics. Learners move from direct instruction through case-based scenarios to simulations in a variety of learning experiences. So whether you are an individual looking to continue your education with online, RACE-approved veterinary courses, or a practice in search of a learning platform to deliver instruction to team members, or both, Vetbloom is a learning platform for you. Get started by contacting Vetbloom for more information right now.